Now let's look at what are values, right? In the first video, we learned a little bit about ethics. Here we are talking about values. So there is a difference between ethics and values. We'll look at it in the coming slides. But first, we'll understand what are values. A person's principles or standard of behavior, one's judgment of what is important in life, right? You understand what are values? It's your judgment. It's our judgment of what is more important for me in life. What is the important thing in life? So that is an importance associated with something. So that importance is given or decided by ourselves, and that's called value, right? This is my value because it's a value. Anyways, the word itself is saying it's value. I value it more, I value it less. Okay, I value this more than anything else, right? So that's the importance that you give to something, and that's called value. And what is the importance given, and for what you're giving the importance to. So that's how you understand the values. They provide the general guidance for social conduct, right? So how do I behave in a society? What I do or what I should not do in a community, right? So that these are the general guidelines that we have in terms of values. Values are the criteria people use in assessing their daily lives. Clear. Values are the criteria by which people arrange their priorities and choose between courses of action. So it's just, let's say, to-do list madri da. So you list out certain things, and then you feel something is important than something else in that list. You're prioritizing. Okay, that again is based on values. Based on the values that you have, you prioritize things. So there are some examples given. Uh, so most of which are part of values. So not everyone will have the same values or pick and choose uh, similar values. We will choose according to our needs and wishes and experience that we gain over a period of time. So there are different types of values as well. Terminal values and instrumental values are the two values that we are looking at in this slide. The first one, terminal value. These are the values that we think are most important or most desirable. These refer to desirable end states of existence, the goals a person would like to achieve during his or her lifetime. They include happiness, self-respect, recognition, inner harmony, uh, personal life where you want a certain amount of uh, value addition, the prosperity of your life, and professional excellence. All these things come under terminal values. Instrumental values are those values that deal with views on acceptable modes of conduct, okay, through which you achieve the terminal values. So you have terminal values which has to be achieved. Yeah, how do we achieve? There is a certain value that you follow, okay, and that value you'll have to look at the acceptable modes of conduct. Okay, you can't uh, do illegal stuff and achieve things, and that's a normal understanding, a normal standard uh, of value. So that's called instrumental value. Instrument, you use the instrument to achieve something, and அந்த மாதிரி தான் சொல்றாங்க. So instrumental values are used to achieve terminal values. These include being honest, sincere, ethical, and being ambitious, right? These values are more focused on personality traits and character. Okay, so I let's say I want to um, be the best at what I do. Okay, if that is my terminal value, how do I achieve that? There are, let's say, 100 people in the world who do the same thing in life. Okay, I have to be the best out of the 100. That's my terminal value. I want to be the best out of the 100 people who are living across the world doing the same thing. Okay, so how do I achieve my target to be the terminal value, right? To be the best. So how do I achieve that? By killing the other 99. Huh? If I do that also, I'll be the best because I'll be the only one left out. Okay, or making others stop what they're doing. Okay, so or making them, giving them, disturbances in what they are doing. That way also I can become the best. But by improving myself, but leaps and bounds, and be better than the other, 99, and then I become the best of the 100. That is the actual acceptable value. Okay, so but then, so what is the means I use? What are the, எப்படி நான் அந்த கோல் அச்சீவ் பண்ணுறேன், அந்த ப்ராசஸ்? இஃப் தட் value stick to positive or negative means. So these, positive and negative means that I use, they are instrumental values. So you have the differences here between terminal values and instrumental values. Okay, so this is what we discussed in the last slide. A prosperous life, being ambitious here, right? Exciting life, sense of accomplishment, a world at peace, salvation, self-respect, pleasure, wisdom, true friendship, equality. Instrumental values la பாத்தீங்கன்னா, you have ambitious, broad-minded, capable, cheerful, clean, helpful, honest, obedient, loving, and responsible. So these are the means through which you achieve. Instrumental values are the means through which you achieve terminal values. Thank you.